Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lengthy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The meeting became very lengthy due to all the different opinions being discussed. Lengthy means something that is very long in duration or extent, often taking up a significant amount of time or space. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.